Hi, and welcome to my video on 3 ways to use Funnel Kit Powerup to generate more leads and increase sales. In this video, I want to talk about the latest power-up from Thinkific expert Rob Galvin, specifically Funnel Kit, which is designed to widen your pipeline, expand your pipeline, but also help you generate more leads all within your Thinkific ecosystem or to an external email marketing software, but all in a very easy to set up manner and very customized and very personalized. So Funnel Kit is one of the many power-ups in his Kit family, but this one focuses on expanding and generating more leads. One of the things I wanted to show you is that Funnel Kit opt-in can be used on many different pages, so I'm going to give you 3 different examples. I'm going to show you how you can use it to generate leads on your all courses page. I'm going to show you how it can help you generate leads on a specific sales page, and if you wanted to also use it on the all courses page. So the most important thing for every Thinkific or any online business entrepreneur or course creator is always generating sales. Does not happen unless you have more leads and an ever consistent pipeline. And so building leads takes time, but it also doesn't have to be complicated. So I'm really excited to show you and demo the 3 different ways and the 3 different pages that it can be set up. So if you are new and not familiar with this specific power-up, I'm going to put a link in the description below, and you can go to the Super Power-Ups website and learn more about them. So let's get started. I am already in my Thinkific portal, so if you want to log in and follow along, we're going to look for our site builder, and this is specifically under your Design Your Site section. And so once I am in my site builder, I will see that there is the home pages, I can access all the different course product pages, my bundle pages, my default pages, and my custom pages. Now let's just start off by the home page and why you would want to have this on the home page, because most often I hear from people that Thinkific does have its own lead capture section. And that is another way to generate leads and set up a lead capture on your homepage. But I like that Funnel Kit takes it to the next level, allows you to really personalize, customize the messaging, and sticking a box in your site builder section to say, hey, sign up for my lead magnet or sign up for my freebie PDF or ebook guide. So let's take a look at the homepage first. And then at the end, after I show you all 3 examples, I will give you a preview of what it looks like on the different pages when I'm actually someone on this page for the first time. I think it's important to show you different examples, not just while you're building it, but also when you're a person who is on the site. And then the last thing that I want to mention before I go into the demo is that it's super important anytime you're testing out these new power-ups is to do it on a staging theme. I have a video that I will link to at the end is all about how you set up a staging theme and how you test this out, because if you already have students enrolled in a course, you have students coming to your site, you really don't want to mess up and disturb what you've already done live by testing out a new power-up on a live site. So that's why we have a staging theme, so that you can test, play, and explore some of these power-ups before it is actually live. So let's just take a look at the home page. That's the first example I want to start with. And so we all know that the home page, as we may think of it also as the landing page, is really essential. That's the first landing page, is really the first eye into our business, into our brand, and what people really discern into who we are and what we're offering and what we're teaching. And this landing page is super important to show and really reflect what your brand is, and also to get people in the door. Because if you think about it, if people are on your landing page and they don't really find what they're looking for, or the site isn't really set up in a way that encourages them to continue looking through the rest of the site and learning more about what's being offered and sold, then what's going to happen is they're going to leave. And once you lose a potential customer, it's harder to get them back in the door. So as you can see, this is my kind of demo. I haven't really built it out yet. But this is my landing page, and when you want to add the funnel kit power up, what you need to always do is have this base kit. This base kit is really important so that you can set up the look and feel of this specific lead capture box. The base kit is like a theme kit. If you think about it, a base kit allows you to customize the font, the color, and the style. And let's just take a look at base kit. So there's fonts, there's colors, and there are buttons. So this is one of the many buttons that I've set up. So I have it as using the Thinkific primary button color, but I can, if I don't like this Thinkific primary button color, what I can do is just play around and select the color that I think would really stand out. And so one of the things that's important when you're selecting a color is not to just select a color or just pick a color. You want to pick a color that really matches your whole brand, your whole business, and what you teach, because it's all about consistency. And when you really select the colors that match with the rest of your site, there is a consistent feel and look to your business that people know and are familiar with. So I've changed my background color, and I can even go ahead and change the text color. The most important thing is when you're selecting these, to think about your brand, think about your customer, who your ideal customer is, and also talk to your brand, whoever on your team or designer is working on this color scheme and your brand colors, to make sure that the colors that you choose for the text and the background are all matched up and aligned together. So I'm just picking right now just to show you as an example. I'm just going to save this so that we can go into and look for the actual kit. Look for the kit, so we can look for the funnel kit opt-in power up. And then the other thing I want to mention is anytime you're looking to set these up, just click on add sec, and then we're going to, in this box, type in kit. Kit. And as you can see, there are a couple options that show up. You always need the base kit, and you'll remember that. And if you forget, it's okay, because when you search it, it will remind you that it's required on all pages using the kit sections. And then you'll look for this funnel kit opt-in, and this is to help you capture leads. So you'll need those two sections in order to get started building and using them. Now, since I've already set up the kit, I'm going to click on this to show you a little bit more about the options that will help you set up your lead capture. And so you can see I've done this as an example, but I want to work backwards and show you what it looks like in the back end before you get to this stage. This is the cool thing about the kit opt-in. You can choose between capturing the leads within Thinkific, or you can send it to an external email marketing software. So if you're using ConvertKit or ActiveCampaign or MailChimp, each software has a quote-unquote embed code, and you'll copy that code and then choose custom, and you want to send the leads that sign up to your email marketing software like ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, or MailChimp. You'll just paste the code here. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to just show you Thinkific. And then once you set this up, basically anytime someone sees this and they're interested in signing up, the leads will go directly into your Thinkific dashboard. And so that's the great thing about this, is that you don't need external, you don't have to set this up to an external software. You can use all different types of tools, but the most important thing is the leads are all organized and set up within Thinkific, so you can easily track and monitor how this lead capture is working for you. Since your whole business is managed within Thinkific in terms of order tracking, student progress, it allows you to expand more of the tracking within your Thinkific platform. And so I've chosen this Thinkific opt-in because I want the leads to go directly into my Thinkific portal. And then I can customize that. So right now it says you are closer to obtaining your free training. You can say you are one step closer, and then it'll show up here to say you are one step closer. So you see here, and I'm going to make sure I click save. That's really important, because sometimes when you're building it and it looks okay, you forget to hit save, and then it won't show up later. And then I want to go into and show you and talk about this button. And so the button here says sign me up, but I can say something like sign me up now, and so I can make it personal and specific and use the kind of language that my customers and buyers are used to hearing from me, or the kind of language that really resonates with them, because maybe the now is a bit of an urgency to say sign up and generate more leads. And so the idea is this isn't just to generate leads for your business, but you can use this to generate leads for new workshops, new programs. There's so many endless ways you can use it. And then I have this as enter your email address instead of just email address box, because I wanted to make it easier for people to know where exactly they need to enter and fill in their email address. And then this is important here. This is like a checkbox to acknowledge. I think it's important to have this checkbox so that people acknowledge that they're signing up to receive emails from you and to receive updates, communication, etc. You really want to, in this kind of a land of internet spam that happens so often, it's really important to obtain and make sure you have permission to send people relevant information. And so yes, you can hide the checkbox, but I think and really emphasize that it is really important detail step that you don't want to overlook to make sure your potential customers are okay with receiving information and content and communications from you. And then the next thing I want to show you is the image. And so there is a default image, but I took it out because I didn't like the way it looks. And so that's something to also note, is that you can add an image to this background, but you really want to make sure that it looks and matches the rest of your site. And so if you don't, I removed it, and then I can upload one from Google Drive, Dropbox, or a web link, or I can search for photos. But before I use any photos on the web, I must make sure that it's open source and there is no copyright restrictions. Then the next thing I want to do is show you that this is really important. So this is the first step where a buyer or potential customer sees your lead capture and wants to sign up. And then this sort of tells them what they want to happen after. This is what will happen after the first step of the opt-in. So let's just say they click on sign me up now. The cool thing is that you have so many ways to customize this for the after step 2, which is redirect. So the redirect, you can, after they sign up, you can take them to a checkout page. So you say, hey, thanks for signing up for my list, and if you'd like to check out my mini course for free, you can check it out here. Or if you want to buy my Automate Your Thinkific course setup, you can also buy that as well. And so there's lots of different ways you use this to capture leads, but also increase sales, so that they're not just signing up for communications and emails, but you're also letting them know, hey, I have these mini workbooks or mini PDF guides that you can buy from me as well. Now, if you don't want to take them to a checkout page, you can also take them to a checkout page outside of Thinkific using a custom URL. So some people may want to use ClickFunnels for their checkout. If you do, you just click on custom URL and put the link to your ClickFunnels sales page or lead pages sales page. Now, the other thing you can also do with this Funnel Kit Powerup is you can take them to a course page or a bundle page, or you can set up a specific page about your brand and your course, like a bio, to let people know what's about you. And so the kit really is designed to generate leads, increase sales, but also to always keep your customer engaged and connected and learning more about your brand and business, so that they go from being a potential customer to an actual customer and student. And so that's the cool thing about Funnel Kit, is that you can set it up not just to capture leads, but also to set up this sequence after the leads to either take them to a checkout page, to another course page, to a bundle page. There's just so many different options. And then let's just keep this as a sales page, keep this as a page for the instructional design course that I want them to learn more about, because that's, let's just say my whole thing is about helping you become a better instructional designer if you are not one. And so then I can take them to a course page where they can learn more about this course. And then the neat thing is also the text style, and this kind of is related to the base kit. So the text style right now is black, but you can choose between lots of different options. Remember, the style that works best here is really not about choosing one, it's about how it fits within the whole brand. And then you can also choose to customize the button, the style. There's all these different options. And so choose one that you think really captures and will encourage people to opt in. And then the last thing I want to mention before I show you the other pages is that there is a background style. So you can customize the way this looks. So you can have an overlay. You can choose how much of a strong yellow or green or whatever color you choose. That's really can make a powerful difference in the way that this box for capturing leads looks like with the rest of your site. So that is just the homepage example. Now I want to show you the all courses page. And so the reason why you may want to consider put PowerUp on the all courses page is because it's another opportunity to capture leads. The way I see it is like someone could be on your main site and they may like it, and then they like start to browse around, and the way I see it is that this main page, someone can sign up if they wanted to, but someone could also overlook it. And so what then happens is they may want to check out all your products and all your courses and your collections of courses. And the thing is, on this all courses page, they will see all these courses that you're selling. And as you can see, I've set this up a little bit differently than other people because I've added this other promo kit to show people like, hey, you didn't sign up, but here's another opportunity. I'm offering 10% off. So there's always opportunities with this opt-in to not only grab leads, but also increase sales. And with this funnel kit opt-in, I will have to do the same thing and add my base kit and then my funnel kit opt-in. And so you can see the layout is a little bit different than what yours might be. It's because I've customized it. I wanted to really showcase the different learning tracks as a course creator. And so the idea is on this all courses page, I'm not only enticed potential buyers with a coupon code to take a discount off courses, and I've customized it with a learning track. I also can use this opt-in to say, okay, great, you've checked out all my courses, you see I'm offering you a coupon and maybe you're not ready, but hey, why don't you sign up to learn more about my instructional design courses, receive email communications from me. So the idea is still I'm continuing to generate and encourage people to sign up, to helping myself generate leads. I'm also offering discounts and promotions with sales and a coupon code. And as with these two strategies, I'm helping to continue expanding the pipeline in my business. And so this would be the all courses page. And then the last example I want to show you is the custom page. I think that's really important. If you are launching something or testing some new workshop out, then this is where Funnel Kit can help you generate leads for a new workshop. So I would want to go to a custom page, and as you can see in my custom page, I have a leads page that I created, and this is specifically for a new workshop I'm testing out. And so I'm just letting it load. So as you see here, this base kit and the kit funnel opt-in will always be the foundations when I add it to any page. And so the most important, if I am testing this new landing page on a live workshop, then I can build this landing page out and then use this to in my email marketing to say, hey, I'm testing out this new live workshop on instructional design for non-designers, and you can then take them to this link, which is your specific page where people can put opt-in to sign up for notifications on the new workshop you're testing. Check out the timestamps for the specific course pages. Most important is that this can really help you generate more leads, generate more sales, and expand your pipeline of potential customers. Thank you for watching.